Hello and welcome back to my channel once again. Today in this video I'm going to teach you history of modern Western art and our topic is modernism. So we are going to learn about the introduction of modernism, that why modernism was important that time. So let's start. History of modern Western art. Modernism. Modernism was a period of experimentation in the arts from the late 19th to the mid 20th century. Modernism in the fine arts, a change with the past and the search for new forms of expression. It was an era of global adoption of capitalism, rapid social change, advances in science and the social science. In the visual arts, the roots of modernism started from painter Edward Manet. His beginning in the 1860s depicted scenes of modern life and did not follow the traditional style of painting. He instead drew attention to the fact that his work of art was simply paint on a flat canvas and that it was made by using a paintbrush, which sometimes left its mark on the surface of the composition. The avant-garde movements that followed, including Impressionism, Post-Impressionism, Cubism, Futurism, Expressionism, Constructivism, and Abstract Expressionism, are generally defined as modernist. After World War One, from the late 19th to the mid 20th century, the years, architects also had increasingly abandoned past styles. In building technologies such they use steel frame and the curtain wall. In the period after World War One, these tendencies became codified as the international style, which utilized simple geometric shapes, which abandoned any use of historical reference. This is all about the introduction of modern history, why modern art was so important, and hope you have understood the topic discussed in this video today. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to share it with your friends. Give a like and press the bell icon for the notification of my next video. Stay tuned and stay connected.